What's up, guys? It's your boy Falcon back again. And have you ever wondered on an oxygen sensor, what is an upstream or a downstream sensor? Well, if you are, stay tuned. Guys, well, I'm back. And I'm actually working on an oxygen sensor on a vehicle. And of course, whenever you call the parts department, you tell them, hey, I need this sensor. They'll ask you bank 1 or bank 2. I've already made several videos of what is a bank 1 and what is a bank 2. If you have like a 6-cylinder or 8-cylinder engine, basically your bank 1 is whatever piston 1 is located, and wherever piston 2 is located, it's gonna be bank 2, or the opposite from where piston 1 is at. That's one thing. But sometimes they'll ask you, do you want the sensor on downstream or upstream? So plain and simple, the upstream is going to be the closer one to the head, and the downstream is going to be the one further back after the catalytic converter. So think about it like a river. The downstream is the one furthest away from the head, or it's on the other side of the catalytic converter. The upstream is the closest one right before the catalytic converter. So you got it? So upstream before the cat, downstream after the cat. So the first one is the upstream, and the second one is going to be the downstream. Alright guys, well, I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, hit that bell for me, share the channel. I will catch you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching. You guys have yourselves a great day.